Greetings YouTube, Silvertop Flyer coming at you again today. Yeah, you guys probably think I'm out of my gourd, but that's okay. I may be out of my gourd. I wanted to give you a little view of what I have here. I've got the DX5 I bought at Walmart, probably 40 or 50 bucks. I've got the DRO 005, which I got at Kohl's on sale for $47. I've got that little bitty one. Let's see if I can get in here on it. Little bitty Propel Atom. We won't talk about that. I've got the Protocol. Excuse my shadow. Got the Protocol, little baby. And I've got this Coax helicopter. It's an infrared helicopter. Love to fly it inside. Just absolutely love this little toy. When I started, I decided to start with what you see here. I also have a Unique Q500 sitting over there in the box. I have no problem at all flying it. I don't have a problem putting a 12-year-old behind it and letting her fly it. Very, very stable. Love it. Absolutely love it. I know you guys like to talk trash about DJI, and I have thought about buying something from DJI. I don't know yet. So I just wanted to show you what I have. I'm not a rookie flyer. I can fly. This particular aircraft right here, the black and white one that you see, I've wrecked it at least 25 times. Cleaned her up, cleaned her out, still flying. Amazing. A Walmart could sell a toy that I could wreck 25, 30 times and still flies. Same with this guy right here. I can't even count how many times I've crashed him into the mud. Many, many times. Had to cut parts off of it. Replace parts, but it still flies. This is the biggest problem I have. None of these I spent over 50 bucks for. I spent $160 on the Hubsan, and they won't even talk to me. I ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna stay on them. This is a Silvertop Flyer signing out.